Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of Speck Does ComputerCraft. Today we're going to be using what we've learned so far, and we're going to be making our calculator. Now, this is a very easy script to make, so we're going to create a new program called Test, hopefully, and this is going to be using the variables and ifs that we've learned in the last episode. So, first thing we're going to do is I'm going to state the variables. If you don't know why I'm doing this, then watch the last episode, because it's incredibly important. Now I'm going to state the first number, the second number, and the operation. Now, since this is a string, we have to put it in the commas otherwise, because it's just how we're going to do it, if you know what I mean. So now we're going to need the user input, which is quite simple. I don't feel like it needed its own episode of doing it, because it's really quite easy. Cool. Local makes it so that it's basically the user input. So the F number is the read of the local input which has been inserted by the user. That's basically what this is saying. You can also put in like a string which will cover up what you're typing in there, but we don't need to do that. It's not like confidentiality. It's not a confidential script, so it doesn't matter. Like if you're doing a password, then you would use the read with stars in it. That sounds I worded that poorly. I'm sorry. I'm trying to there. So basically, we've got a while the script. I'm not having no. Don't know why this keeps turning itself back on. But while the script runs, print what will be your first number, and then it will do all that. Don't know why it's so slow today. Local. The good thing about this is you get to see how atrocious my spelling is. Okay, well, it turns out the recording crashed, so I had to delete the rest of that. So what I ended up doing was doing, I'm not sure when it started crashing exactly, so it just goes if operation equals plus, then print first number plus second number, else if operation equals minus, then print F number minus S number, first number even, else if operation equals times, then print first number times S number. Make sure you don't put speech marks in, because then otherwise it'll just print exactly that. This prints the operation that this outcomes with. Else if operation equals 5, then print F number divided by second number. Then just put all the ends for it. You don't need to organize it like this. It's just a lot easier if you plan on changing it and debugging it. It's just more user friendly, if you ask me. So yeah, that's actually I've said so yeah so many times on my YouTube, like just when I've been on YouTube, and I'm tired of saying it. I'm not saying so yeah anymore. But basically, see, But basically, that's your actual first useful script, even though you already have a calculator on your computer, unless you have a Mac, and then you should kill yourself. But if we run it, then it works. Just like a normal calculator. And also the print at the end makes this line so it looks neat and nice. Now also a good thing about this calculator is that if you put in the wrong thing, it won't matter. It won't crash it like some other type of calculators will. But yeah, it all works. As you can see, if it doesn't work, then I'll be amazed. But to end it, since it's a while, is you have to press Ctrl and T. But yeah, that's basically it. You now know how to make a useful script in ComputerCraft. You've learned variables, if statements, whiles, and next episode we're definitely going to be looking into mining turtles, because they are basically the reason why I started ComputerCraft, and I think they're really important and really quite cute. You can really get over attached to the little guys. But anyway, I will see you all in the next episode. Goodbye.